Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to protect your PowerPoint file. So PowerPoint presentation 16, I'm just open and loading for open. So I'm just, this is my previous, okay, this is previous file, this is our content file. Okay, now I'm just add a protection, means lock. Okay, now click on save as and choose location and click tools, general options and password. So type your password, 4 digit or 8 digit or 6 digit. So I'm just type my password and just click OK and re-enter password. Okay, click OK, re-enter password to modify. Okay, confirm password, just I'm typing confirm. Okay, and just save desktop locations, click save. So now save successful. So I'm just click minimize and open again. This is file, just check. So open PowerPoint, so check again or close this file. So now again open, and this is the protections. Type your password and unlock this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe our channel and like this video. Keep watching this channel. Goodbye.